everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Winterseer Animal Oracle. This is by Siolo Thompson and it retails for $27.99 in the US and it's published by Llewellyn. This includes 56 cards and a 192-page full color guidebook. And as always, I will link in the description box below where you can purchase this legitimately. And I am affiliated with Amazon, so if you do use that link, I do get a tiny bit of a commission. So let's get into it. Gain the wisdom of long revered creatures from the northern climes. Experience Celtic and Norse lore in a brand new way with this exquisite oracle deck. Winterseer Animal Oracle shows you how to deepen your divination practice through the wisdom of 56 marvelous creatures native to northern climates, from salmon and magpie to badger and bear. Featuring Siolo Thompson's impressive watercolor illustrations, these cards bolster your readings with their stunning details, and the accompanying guidebook uses the mythology of bygone days to inspire your modern life. All right, I'm really excited about this because the other decks that I have by Siolo Thompson are beautiful, so I cannot wait to see what this has in store for us. So as always with the Llewellyn packaging, we have the magnetic closure. Ooh, we got a ribbon. Look at how cute this is already. Nice big guidebook. And here we go. Oh, look at how pretty. Oh my goodness. All right, interesting. Let's put you aside. Let's just take a peek real fast at the guidebook. We'll go in depth after we pull a card, but I just want to see if there's anything pertinent that we need to know other than what was already said from the back. So we have keywords, card itself, and other associated words in the guidebook. They're meant to assist you in a reading and provide quick reference points, but should not be limiting the meaning of the cards. All right. These animal symbols can mean different things to different people and can also speak to us on different qualities depending on where we are in life and what challenges we face. Then just tells us how to do a reading. So 3-card spread. What is this? Oh, card meanings. That's the chapter. Okay. All right. Cool. Let's get into it. There's the back. It's pretty. Very delicate looking. There is a gloss coating on it, so I'm going to try to make sure you can see each picture without a glare. Cardstock, typical Llewellyn cardstock. Not too thick, not too thin. Cute. I love the art style. Oh. Now I have that Beatles song stuck in my head. I think it's the Beatles. Really, really pretty. Detachment for the cat. I like that it's just simple, but to the point. Oh. It's just really pretty. Ooh. I think it's still a mystery how eels reproduce. Like, we don't know where they came from. So the fact that that's a mystery keyword makes a lot of sense. Like, we don't know where they evolved from, how they reproduce, what's going on, but they're there. Nature is amazing. Cute. Really like this art style. Oh, there's a hummingbird. Beautiful. Ooh. Whenever I see a hummingbird, I think of my grandma. Oh, I love the octopus. Interesting. I'm really enjoying this deck so far. The keywords for the animals are really on point. And I feel like this is going to be such a versatile deck that you can use it for anything on its own. Would be perfectly fine, but combine it with your tarot deck, combine it with other oracle decks. I think this would be fantastic. So we have a hare and a rabbit. Love it. I think this would be awesome for a card pull a day, asking what you need to focus on for the day. Oh, look at that chonk. I love it. Oh. The herb deck that Siolo Thompson put out, I think it's like 30 cards, 36 cards, I can't quite recall. I'll make sure I link them in the cards. But I feel like this is such a wider variety of deck. There's obviously more cards. I'm kind of liking this a lot better than the previous Oracle deck. Cute. It looks almost like a Patronus with a color. And the fact that it's a stag. I just finished watching the 20th anniversary Harry Potter special, so that's in the back of my mind as well. I'm in denial that it's that long ago. A wagtail. Oh, that's an interesting name. Oh, I love. Oh, that is awesome. All right. Now let's see how it shuffles. Just fine. I actually really like how the Llewellyn cardstock shuffles. It's really nice and flexible. It snaps back just fine. It does have a tendency to wear down, but that's going to be most card decks. All right, we're going to read for Magpie. Let's see, it doesn't have a table of contents though, I don't believe, for each of the cards. So does it go in alphabetical order? It does. Oop, passed it. All right. Ooh, alrighty. Nice. So here we go. We have keywords: duality, mischief, cleverness, luck, misfortune, and speech. 1 for sorrow, 2 for joy, 3 for a letter, 4 for a boy, 5 for silver, 6 for gold, 7 for a secret that's never been told. That is just one of the many rhymes or sayings that indicate how one should read the appearance of magpies. In folklore, these social, chatty, clever birds are associated with foretelling the future more than anything, although exactly what they foretell is a highly regional matter. Another interesting version of the rhyme found broadly in Britain and Ireland reads: 1 for anger, 2 for mirth, 3 for a wedding, 4 for a birth, 5 for rich, 6 for poor, 7 for a witch, I can tell you no more. Oh, there's so much more. Okay, so along with foretelling the future, their loud chattering is often associated with weather predictions. A noisy group of magpies in Ireland's County Mayo foretells rain, while in County Donegal it means a storm is coming. In Scotland, the birds' chattering has given rise to association with fast talkers. Garrulous, untrustworthy people may be referred to as magpies. The birds are among the most intelligent creatures on the planet and one of few non-human animals to recognize themselves in a mirror. They have an uncanny vocal range and are able to imitate complex sounds, including human voices and language. In Scotland, the bird was believed to have a drop of devil's blood in its tongue, which gives it the gift of human speech. Alternatively, a bird may receive the gift of speech if you scratch its tongue and put a drop of human blood on it. All right. In a reading, once thought to be the offspring of a dove and a raven, the magpie possesses the cleverness of the raven and the social nature of the dove. In this way, and its two-toned plumage, the magpie is a good symbol of duality, tension, and a marriage of differing qualities. The magpie urges us to embrace the various aspects of our personality and honor each. The spirit of the magpie can be a boon to anyone who needs to perform, speak, sounds like I need it, or present something to an audience. Their legendary gift of speech and charismatic demeanor make them a good tutelary spirit for performers and people in public-facing professions such as sales. In its negative aspect, the magpie may warn of a dishonest person or someone who is charismatic but not necessarily well-intentioned. If you see yourself in this description, pause and consider the effect you are having on others and the ways in which your behavior is unethical or unkind. If you are a quick-witted person who gets away with bad behavior, be cautious. There will eventually be a price to pay for the harm you cause. Alternatively, this card could be speaking of someone in your life who exhibits the magpie's negative traits. Be wary of fast or smooth talkers or anyone promising something that seems too good to be true. Judge people based on their actions rather than their words. All right, I am impressed. I'm really loving this so far. I really like the guidebook. I like that it goes in depth with, a little bit of the folklore about it, and it gives you plenty of keywords there, and it gives you a description of how you would use it or what it would mean in a reading. The artwork in general is stunning. I already was in love with Siolo Thompson's artwork. It's just really, really cool, beautifully done. And I love the simplicity of it, but yet there's still so much detail in it. So for my opinion and what I think about this deck is worth the price tag. I really enjoyed the book. You get 56 cards. I'm so happy about that because I'm so tired of 33 card decks. I really love the versatility of having more cards. And I feel like you can use this deck for multiple purposes, and on its own, it's just great for just one pull. So let me know what you think about this deck down in the comment section. Do you already own it? Is it something that you're planning on owning? Or is this a hard pass for you? Let me know what you guys think. I love hearing your thoughts and opinions down there. And before you go anywhere, don't forget to check out the description box as well for the Links for this, as well as my link tree. I have all of my social medias on there, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. So be sure to check all of those out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.